In this video, we'll cover how to use Thinglink from a student perspective. What I've got loaded on the screen is a 360-degree image that a lecturer has posted to me. If I use my left click and scroll across the screen, I can move the image. Every Thinglink will have some form of hotspot. On this, if I find a little hotspot indicated by a circle that pulses, I can select that and move to a different image or a body of text. So, following along the hotspots, I will see a pod with my colleagues in. I can select that next hotspot and read the text. There are additional options I can select in the bottom right corner. I can make the image full screen. I can also enter my Thinglink as a VR if it has been set up from the creator, though this might require you to load this app on the VR headset. Additionally, you'll also be able to see all images in a sequence. Pressing the Thinglink logo will enable you to share a Thinglink. And finally, in the top left, if you select the home icon, it will return you back to the starting state. Additionally, Thinglinks might be as a 2D image. From what we've got on the screen now, you'll see there's a hotspot located on the police car door. There is an objective on this hotspot which will tell you the actions that you must perform, and you can press through this in a sequence. When selecting a body of text on a Thinglink, you'll be able to open this up in Immersive Reader if you require an audio description. To return, simply press the X and continue in your sequence.